Hello, everyone. Happy to see you here. As you see, we are the PayWall. PayWall is a payment orchestration that I'm going to explain you what exactly it's doing. So we have two co-founders, which they are here. You can see them here. One is Enes, and the second one is Arif, our CEO. I'm not going to tell you about the background of them, but they are two powerful persons. Yes, what is payment orchestration? With payment orchestration and without payment orchestration. When you are working, didn't working with payment orchestration, there are some problematic matters like you are going to integrate it with every PSP or payment facilities or financial institution. For each of them, you're going to have different integration. But when you choose payment orchestration, there is just one hub that you're integrating, and you have access to every tools that you imagine ever in financial institution. These tools are specialized tools for PayWall, such as PayRoute, which is recurring and how can I say, it helps you and the merchant to cover your payment in a successful way. And the next one is PayJump. PayJump and PayRoute, also PayBalancer, are the how can I say? They are the artificial intelligence-based algorithms that help the merchants and help any kind of merchants to make their payments successful. When you use these one, you wouldn't worry about your payments that are it going to be holding, are it going to be failed, or whatever. And then we have the PayBalancer. PayBalancer is one of the features that really special for PayWall, because in Turkey, especially in Turkey and in the global, we can say in the global, there's no companies that have this algorithm. And this algorithm, you can participate or you can separate all the limits to every PSP that the merchant working with it. For example, if you're in Turkey and you're working with, I don't know, United Payment, one of the providers, you can specify a limit for that PSP. And then you can specify another limit for the second one, for the third one, and the fourth one. It's going to look like this. And PayWatch. PayWatch is another feature that we have within the payment orchestration, which helps you to update the status of payment. One of the main reasons that our technical team that developed this feature, it's because there are a lot of problems in financial institutions. That, for example, they forgot to update the status of payment. That's why we developed this. Going on. Yeah. This picture is one of the exact examples that shows you what is payment orchestration truly. You know flute? Okay, flute is a very basic instrument that even the kids can play it. It sounds too, how can I say, it's too, we can say childlike. But in the saxophone, you know it, it's one of the sexier instruments. It sounds really different. At the same time, you can handle and you can access to every kind of tool on it as you see the buttons. So this is the payment orchestration, and that is the old and traditional options that we have in the market, especially in global and, of course, Turkey. Yeah, one of the best questions. Payment orchestration, not only in Turkey, but also in the global, we reduced up to 20% from operational cost, which is not a less amount. It's a big amount for such big companies or holdings, or even for insurance companies and whatever. I'm going to list you some options or some benefits that every merchant or every financial institution must use payment orchestration in their payment methods, because we give the merchant customer the best customer experience and also efficiency, transparency. You can check all your payments, that is it in level of pending, is it in level of failed, is it in level of processing, is it successful, or and also there's one important point. You can see all the errors that you got For example, why this is failed. There's a bunch of errors that you can find in PayWall integration. And also enhanced security, compliance, reporting analytics, transaction flow, which is due to PayJump, PayWatch, and PayBalancer, these kind of algorithms, increase the scalability, and again, reduce costs. Yeah, if you want all of them, you need PayWall, which is us. Recently, we are working with banks, all the EMIs in Turkey, and we have some global providers, by the way, and APM. And you can see all the lists that we are working with them, such as Akbank, Denizbank, Halkbank, Şekerbank. And in EMI, we have global and local providers. For APM, we have a really good connections with some companies in Turkey that you can use their wallets within us. And also, you can get payment from food cards. This could be one of the important KPIs in the market that in Turkey, in the last or previous year, the online credit payment reached to 2.3 trillion Turkish lira, which is a really huge amount. If you want these payments to be successful, we recommend you to use payment orchestrations. These are the references that we are working with them, and these are just some of them. PayWall is established in 2022 in Budapest, which is Boğaziçi University Technopark. And after that, our technical lead team started to develop payment and bootstrap. Then in the previous year, which is 2023, our product goes goes live at August, I think. And then we got a PCI DSS level 1. Then we are participated in Deniz Aquarium interaction program. We are graduated from this program like 2 months ago. And after that, we are get into TIMTEP, then BTM. And now, recently, we are integrated with 30 financial institutions. And it's going, like, I think that after 1 month, it's going to be 80. And for 2024, we got our pre-seed investment from Ida Capital. And by the way, in here, I can, thanks for them to this amazing opportunity. As you see, we put some stars in there, which is imply that we have some confidential news, which I can't express in here. But for just explanation, recently we got into Visa Innovation Program 2024. I'm going to mention it here, but we didn't mention it here because of some confidentiality, just to keep you, with this good news. Yeah, that's it. We are the PayWall. Thank you so much for everyone. Thank you. Appreciate it.